Are you constantly hungry even after eating, or struggling to lose weight no matter how hard you try? The secret isn't starving yourself. It's eating the right foods that naturally keep you full and burn fat from within. In this video, we'll uncover 10 of the best high-fiber foods that not only crush your cravings, but also supercharge your metabolism and help you lose weight the healthy way. Now, let's jump straight in. Let's start with one of the most powerful weight loss breakfasts: oats. Oats are packed with a unique soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which forms a thick gel inside your stomach. This slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full for hours. No mid-morning hunger, no mindless snacking. Studies show that beta-glucan also helps lower cholesterol and stabilizes blood sugar, which is key for preventing fat storage. If you've ever felt that crash after eating sugary cereal, oats are the opposite. They give you steady energy that lasts all morning. Go for steel-cut or rolled oats. They're less processed and richer in fiber. Top them with nuts, berries, or a drizzle of honey for the perfect healthy breakfast that's delicious, filling, and guilt-free. Number 2. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty. Chia seeds are one of the most concentrated sources of fiber on the planet. Just 2 tablespoons pack about 10 grams of fiber, nearly half your daily need. When you soak them, they absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like texture that expands in your stomach and keeps you full for hours. This slows down digestion, balances blood sugar, and helps curb overeating naturally. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and promote fat loss, especially around the belly area. You can sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, blend them in smoothies, or make a tasty overnight chia pudding. They're simple, affordable, and incredibly effective for long-term weight management. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like this video. Your support helps us grow and keeps valuable health content coming every week. Next up, lentils, one of the most underrated fat-burning foods out there. They're rich in fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, which makes them a perfect food for balanced, sustained energy. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 15 grams of fiber and 18 grams of protein, keeping you full for hours while feeding your muscles. Lentils also help stabilize blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Their slow-digesting nature keeps cravings away and supports gut health. You can toss lentils into soups, salads, or make them the star of your meal with lentil curry or stew. They're inexpensive, packed with nutrients, and ideal for anyone who wants to lose weight without feeling deprived. Number 4. Avocados. Unlike most fruits, avocados are high in both fiber and healthy fats, a powerful combination that keeps you full and satisfied for hours. A single avocado provides around 13 grams of fiber, along with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help your body burn fat more efficiently. The fiber slows digestion and keeps your hunger hormones under control, while the healthy fats support your metabolism and energy. Studies show people who eat avocados regularly tend to have slimmer waists and lower BMIs. Add avocado to your salads, smoothies, or toast. It's creamy, satisfying, and one of the best foods you can eat for healthy weight loss. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli isn't just your mom's favorite vegetable, it's a true fat-fighting powerhouse. It's low in calories but loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that support digestion and metabolism. Each cup of broccoli provides about 5 grams of fiber, which feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut, helping your body burn fat more effectively. It's also rich in sulforaphane, a compound that reduces inflammation and supports detoxification, key elements for anyone trying to lose weight. Steam it, roast it, or toss it into stir-fries with olive oil and garlic for a flavorful, satisfying, and nutrient-dense meal that helps you stay full longer and reduces cravings. Number 6. Apples. Crunchy, refreshing, and satisfying. Apples are one of the easiest high-fiber foods to add to your daily routine. A medium apple provides about 4 grams of fiber, most of it from pectin, a soluble fiber that slows digestion and increases fullness. When you eat apples, your body takes longer to digest them, meaning you stay full and your blood sugar remains stable. They're also 85% water, so you get hydration along with fiber, a perfect combination for weight control. Apples are portable, naturally sweet, and great for killing cravings between meals. Just don't peel off the skin. That's where most of the fiber and nutrients are. Number 7. Quinoa. If you're looking for a perfect rice alternative that's rich in fiber and protein, quinoa is your best friend. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 5 grams of fiber and all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This powerful combo helps you feel full longer, supports muscle recovery, and prevents overeating. It's also gluten-free and packed with magnesium, which helps regulate blood sugar and reduces stress, both of which can impact fat loss. Use quinoa as a base for salads, pair it with roasted vegetables, or mix it into your favorite stir-fry. It's light, filling, and gives your body the perfect balance of nutrients it needs to burn fat efficiently. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet, colorful, and incredibly satisfying. Sweet potatoes are a high-fiber carb that actually helps you lose weight. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to promote fullness, regulate digestion, and stabilize blood sugar. The fiber slows down the release of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing energy crashes and sugar cravings. They're also rich in vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and support metabolism. Roast or bake them for a guilt-free side dish, or mash them as a replacement for regular potatoes. Their natural sweetness helps satisfy cravings while keeping your calorie intake in check. Number 9. Berries. Berries are not just sweet treats, they're fiber-packed fat fighters. Raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. A cup of raspberries alone gives you about 8 grams of fiber. This slows digestion and helps control hunger while improving your body's fat metabolism. Berries are also low in sugar compared to other fruits, making them ideal for weight loss. They help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even support gut health. Add them to your oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt for a refreshing, naturally sweet boost that helps you stay on track. Finally, Brussels sprouts, small but mighty vegetables that deserve a spot on every healthy plate. They're loaded with fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants, making them excellent for weight management and digestion. Each cup contains about 4 grams of fiber, which helps reduce bloating and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. They also contain glucosinolates, compounds that detoxify your body and support fat metabolism. Roast them with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and garlic for a crispy, flavorful dish that keeps you full and energized for hours. Brussels sprouts might not have been your childhood favorite, but when cooked right, they're a game changer for your waistline and overall health. And there you have it, the 10 best high-fiber foods for effective weight loss. Remember, fiber is your best ally for controlling hunger, balancing blood sugar, and boosting fat burn naturally. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these fiber-rich foods will you start eating today? Thank you for watching, my friend. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep fueling your body the smart way.